Here's how to turn off airplane mode on the iPhone. So there's two spots you can do this. One of the easiest is in settings. So we go to settings and we're going to see at the very top here airplane mode. And we see this green toggle, that means it's on. This little airplane icon also means it's on. We just tap on this and it will turn off airplane mode, which basically will turn back on your cell data and cell network. So for calls, for data, etc. And the other place that you can get to this is by swiping down in the upper right hand corner of your iPhone to get to the control center. You'll see the same little icon up there and you just tap on it. It's the same thing. But they do put it at the top of settings here, so it's really easy to access. Airplane mode turns off cell data, keeps your Wi-Fi on, keeps your Bluetooth on, so you can still listen to things, connect to like the airplane Wi-Fi, etc. But just prevents that cell data from being used. And you can turn it off when you land. That's how you can turn off airplane mode on the iPhone.